What's good, guys? Just got back to the shop. I want to show you these samples that I casted yesterday, and don't worry, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. But I went ahead and demolded them and everything, so I want to show them to you guys. Alright, so here's the first gray one. It's got some good movement, some good texture. I'm gonna grout these, and I'll use a pigmented, just like Portland Slurry. Basically fill all the voids and everything and give it that marbled look. Wet process it back and seal it up and it'll be finished. I'm gonna use the white one for the bathroom that I made just as a piece of art in there. What I'm gonna do is all of these imperfections and whatnot, I'm gonna slurry coat it. And what that means is I've got just only Portland. There's only Portland in here. White Portland. White pigment, which is in here. And that's what I've got in this bucket. And then over here, this is just some polymer, which is right there in that jug. A bit of water to it. Oops. Okay, and basically I'm just gonna mix this, obviously this polymer water into my slurry. It's gonna turn really white, like a mayonnaise consistency, and I'm gonna smear it in all over this whole thing. Okay, all right, stay tuned. So I went with a more rustic look on this one. You can see where the white slurry comes in right here, and it's wet polished back. Now I wanted more of a rustic look on this one as just a piece of art to go in here to kind of match this bathroom. I put this floor in and built this vanity and stuff, so I wanted this as a piece of art. But this is what the marbling, kind of where you get the marbling from, when you slurry it and wet process it back. I was going for the more chipped, rugged kind of experiment here. And it turned out pretty good, so I'm just gonna put it on this wall right here. I need to hang it up. I've got those brackets inlaid way in it, so yeah. What's good, guys? Oh man, it's Friday. Just had a big meeting with the fabric people that's gonna be doing the cushions on Dr. Dill's big badass couch over at Lakeshore Marina. They do awesome work over there. Tons of marine vinyl, bimini tops, isinglass, all that stuff. They're super excited about this project and just just being able to do something new and kind of out of the norm. So tonight we're going to a little house party. My boy Steve Carcello is coming in town. Right now I just got a little art easel driving by, and it's like a really nice like dry erase board, chalkboard art easel. It was like $5, so I picked it up and I'm gonna take it to Forest Fun Center just so the kids can use it and trash it. But yeah, so I'm about to bust up on Kaylee, see what she's up to. She's got 11 minutes till we close, so let's go see what she's doing. Hola! We're closed? Oh damn, okay. Dang, you have a rough day? Kiss, kiss. The vlog hasn't seen Forest Fun Center yet. This is Forest Fun Center. Me and Kaylee pretty much built this single-handedly. I'm gonna do more videos on this later. Get a little glimpse around. Hold on. Yeah. No. For real? So yeah, it's a birthday center slash open play little venue for kids to come hang out at, have a great time, use their imagination, drive Kaylee wild. Yeah, so I got this $5 chalkboard and dry erase board for the kids to draw on or for us to put messages on. This is the Oscar. He's getting big, boy. All right.
I was born to be free.
All right, right here we got Camille, who's the spices. We got Hellman's mayonnaise. We got
pickle relish.
Pickle relish. We got mustard, or I'm sorry, might be some honey mustard, and we got ketchup right here.
Ketchup.
What are you? She's like a ketchup man. You're nothing.
You're like great.
I'm the orderer. I'm the driver.
You're the fast
I'm the tray. Aquaberry, mango, peach mango, pineapple squirrel dolphin.
Yeah.
Damn.
Can I get your
Mate, will you knight her?
Handsome. Neil.
Neil. Neil.
Neil.
In thy quickness.
Nice.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right there. Tune back into the next one. The next episode we go out on the yacht and we get this giant like steel sturgeon. It's like 8 feet. This big dead one, but I don't know. And then the next episode we're chilling by the pool. Steve paints these big badass lips right here. Got him painting those. Yeah, and more work on the concrete project. I'm gonna keep showing you guys how I do it, how it's done. Yeah, more entertainment. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Good night.
You're under surveillance.
I've been under surveillance for a long time. What's in your pocket?
Sir?
Yeah.
I don't know if anyone's told you this before, but
What?
you smell a little different when you're awake.
Oh.